and welcome to Tuesday. So I skipped a couple of days, but so I'm a kind of bit of a late join because I'm icing a cake, but I forgot to press record. And I'm so angry at myself. But I'm going to show you the cake so far, and then I'll let you sit down and watch me do the rest. I'm not a cake decorator. I'd like to be. That box there was very kindly gifted to me, and it's got all like the set in it what you need. So I'm going to show you. It's mostly done, but I'm not going to tip that up. Like, I'm probably just going to have to show you by turning my camera around. So here's the cake. And look at my special table. That's probably going to make you go a bit thing, but yeah, that's my cake. I'm very proud of my cake, so yeah. I've got my icing bag. If you couldn't tell, this is the icing that has failed on me. And I just wipe it off on a tissue because what else do you do with it? But yeah, I'm doing this bit now. So I'm going to lay down. I'm going to press record, and you can just watch the ending of me decorating. Right, you're not going to be able to see me, but this is the best angle I have. I just put my hand in the bad icing. Oops. I'm just gonna wipe this off. I could lick it, but I'm not gross. So I'm gonna put you on a time lapse because this is probably gonna take me ages. But yeah. So I've finished. You wouldn't have seen me do all of it because my camera cut out. But I'm pretty proud of it. It does look like a garden, which to me that's a win. Here's what I made. You would have seen basically all of this except I did this bit while not on camera. It looks good. There's patches here which are supposed to be on top. It doesn't look too bad. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. So I'm happy with it. I'm not going to eat this alone. I have a huge mess to clean up. Like, can you see that? There's just icing sugar. All over this towel. There's just icing everywhere. There's also jam everywhere. I now have to try and get this out because I can't cut it because it's too slippery. Can you see this? So I've got to reach in to get it, and that's just gross. Oh Jesus. In. My hand's gonna come out so. I'm gonna cut the bag because these are disposable anyway. Even though that's not what the directions say. I am not reaching to get that, like I physically cannot reach it. Yeah, so there's my piping bag. I now have to wash these. These are genius. If you don't know what these are, these go around the piping bag. And I'll show you around my finger, but I don't know whether I can because I've got slippery hands. Like that, so they wrap around and then they clip on this little arrow thing. And then you just... Ow. That's dirty, so I've got to wash that. There's paper towels everywhere. This cloth has now got to go in the wash. This is so heavy. Look. This is quite satisfying though. But kind of gross. That's icing, by the way. So, it's not anything else. I've got a little stack of thing. I've just got stuff everywhere. And my work surface is dirty. But I have a cake. I'm going to put this on the table and then come back to you. Well, I'm back. It's sitting over there, like way, way over there. I'm going to have a drink. I have so many trays dirty, so many cups and etc. I have little pieces of plastic everywhere because I had to cut my piping bag quite a few times to get the hole right. That's what she said. My hands look like this. I've got an itch on my eyebrow. And so I have butter literally everywhere. There's just stuff everywhere. But my bowl is clean. For me, that is clean. I'm not a chef. I'm not going to end it here, but I'm going to end this bit here. So, see you when I'm washing up. Right, so I finally, pardon me, finished washing up. Took me, oh my god, I've got the hiccups, a good 20 minutes. I haven't set up my lighting because I look like this and it looks a bit weird. So I haven't set up my lighting. I've done this video to go on my main channel, but it might be a vlog. So if it goes up on my main channel, I don't know what I was doing, but yeah. I'll leave my vlog channel down below. My vlog channel is mine and my best friend's channel, but because of this whole like coronavirus thing, I've used it as my vlog channel. I haven't posted anything on there, I don't think, yet, but I will shortly. There might be 1 or 2 videos, just thinking about it. But yeah, this is going on my vlog because I haven't set up my lighting and I've just been doing loads of stuff all day and it's just been a really bad mess. Now, I told you that I had long claws on just before I filmed this video. That's why I don't have my filming hair in, which is correct. I did have really long claws, but today I'm hopefully going to be getting short ones. But I kept a few nails from my claw. I kept a thumb. I can't even like look. Now that might not look very long, just like holding it there, right? That's how long it is off my finger. So I did actually manage to find some really cute short ones that look like this, and I might try and put those on, just because I can do a bit more in them, but at the same time they're just as difficult to film in. So I will catch up with you later, probably when I'm having dinner, and yeah, we'll just go from there. Bye.